Now, the most dangerous, when Toronto Star interviewed me 3 days ago, they asked me what would be the major event this year worldwide. The major event would happen in Japan this year. I'm expecting major earthquakes and volcanoes to happen in Japan. And the Prime Minister would have to step down halfway through this year. So Japan is going through the worst time in history after the Second World War in terms of finances, and in terms of politics, and in terms of natural disasters. So unfortunately, that's going to happen.